The cable spooler unit by Ventura Hydraulic and Machine Works provides a simple and effective way to manage spooling of cable on and off cable reels in a compact package suitable for shipping inside an 8-foot wide container. This diesel-powered unit is designed to pull in and pay out cable at drum rotation speeds ranging from 0 to 10 RPM at a shaft torque of 25 foot-pounds. Drum rotation speed and direction are controlled by a handle located on the control panel or by a foot pedal assembly. The foot pedal controls can be of explosion-proof design, and the connecting cord allows operation up to 150 feet from the spooler. The spooler is designed to fit within an 8-foot wide container after the drives have been removed. The dimensions of the spooler in its operating configuration are 10 feet wide, 13 feet long, and 6 feet high. This unit is capable of handling cable reels up to 88 inches in diameter and 64 inches in width. Spooler units can be designed for any size of cable reel needed. A diamond shaft level wind assembly powered by a variable speed hydraulic motor ensures even spooling of the cable onto the cable reel. The motor speed can be adjusted by the operator to obtain perfect spooling of the cable onto the reel. A spring tension pulley on the level wind assembly helps maintain even tension on the cable. A pressure-compensated hydraulic pump ensures that the line tension remains within the desired limits so that the cable will not stretch or tear. This unit features a 4-inch diameter spindle. Other spindle sizes are available. Spoolers can have hinged split bearings with latch for convenient drum shaft removal, or they can have standard split bearing arrangements as shown in this unit. The drum shaft is engaged to or disengaged from the motor drive assembly by means of a jaw clutch. The jaw clutch control lever allows locking the assembly in either the engaged or disengaged position. The moving parts of the clutch are housed within a cage for enhanced safety. The drum shaft drive assembly includes a fully enclosed, spring-set, hydraulically released multi-disc brake for holding the drum shaft fixed between pull-in and pay-out operations. The control panel is organized and labeled for easy, intuitive operation. The original cable spoolers were operated using air tuggers and 2 men for either reeling in or paying out conductive cable. It was a cumbersome and dangerous operation. Fred Malzacker, the owner of Ventura Hydraulic and Machine Works, designed, manufactured, and patented a design that would complete the identical functions, but without an operator once the spooler was loaded and started. This product was patented on May 13th of 1986. The original user of his patented equipment was Union Oil Company for Platform A and Platform B in the Santa Barbara Channel. The original spoolers that were used are still in operation on those platforms. To say that they are still operational after all these years is not a new statement for Ventura Hydraulic and Machine Works. Their goal is and has always been to design user-friendly, robust, and well-thought-out equipment for use in the oil and gas industry. Please visit our website to learn more.